Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Vivian from the Paper Letter blog and I'm here with a new What My Pen Pals Sent Me video. I picked out a bunch of letters that I received over the past 2 to 3 months. I think I picked out 7 and I'm going to show you these. I'm going to show all of them. I just wanted to say that these are some of the letters that I received from my pen pals. It doesn't mean that I don't love the other letters that I received. It just means that I think there are some ideas in here that you might be able to use for your letters. I'm just going to start at the top of this pile, basically. So this one is from my pen pal Lara. She's from the Netherlands. As you can see, it's a Dutch Christmas stamp. Let me see. So what she did is she created, which I think is very clever, she used a little coloring for adults book to make this little, how do you call that? To make a cute little something, and it was wrapped with this twine. I think I might actually use that because I have a lot of coloring books and I like the idea of sort of wrapping it in a little bit extra special way. And then she made this cute little envelope. I think that this is just gift wrapping paper, which is also very smart because it usually is quite cheap and you can make a lot of envelopes. And in there she sent me these, which I love. They're from one of my favorite stores, Snail. I don't know, I think it's a Dutch shop. They are these little gift cards, gift tags. Oh my god. I have to look up these words before I start making a video. But I really like them. They're in a wintry theme. And what I like most is that I also have envelopes with the same print. So they will match really, really nicely. And then, of course, you have this. You open it, and then she gave me this card, and then I'm not going to show you the letter itself, but I just wanted to show you that this paper, I don't know what it is, but it's quite special. It's like vertical and then horizontal and then vertical again, and I just thought it looked quite fun. Also, it really matches with the style of her overall letter, so I wanted to show you that one. Oh yeah, I don't know about you guys. If you have pen pals, feel free to let me know, but I have different types of pen pals. I have these pen pals who sent me some goodies. I also have a couple pen pals who sent me an entire flipbook, which I will also show you a little bit later. But I also have pen pals who just write a really nice letter, which I also quite enjoy. For me, there's not one right way to, you know, pen pal. And then the letter I'm going to show you is actually from a new pen pal. This is from my pen pal Ellen from Sweden. Also, this stamp is really beautiful. I'm going to cut it out because I have this old neighbor. He's like 80 something and he collects stamps, and he's so happy with my pen paling hobby because I give him a lot of stamps every time I go home. So inside the envelope we have a little flipbook here, cats, and we have a little letter, cats, which I really like. So I was really happy to see this in my mail. On the front here, it just says hi Vivian, and then obviously the little cat, and then this is watercolor paper. I think she made it herself. And on the back there's also this little collage. But you open it like this, and then in here you have a little card with everything that's in here. And in here we have these cute little cat stickers, which I obviously love. A handwritten, hand-drawn quote that says, "It's okay not to be okay." So that's in this little pocket here. Really creative. And then we have another little collage, and over here I accidentally ripped it off, but over here was this washi tape. This is one of the favorite washi tape tags I ever received because she made it look like a little cat, which I think is super clever. And another little collage, and then we have one more pocket that has, let me see, we have this, I think this is from a vintage book. I mean, the paper feels old and I really like that. And we have some cute note cards with cats on it. We have one more cutout, and these are patterned papers that she made herself with watercolor. Really clever. And I'm going to show you one more thing that was inside this letter. Not going to show you the letter. Oh yeah, we have the mail tag, which she decorated really cute with these little cat paws. And we also have, this is so cool, I really laughed when I saw this. This is a little book with, I think this is stamps, cat stamps, and then on the inside it says little facts about my cat. So she wrote me a little booklet with all the information about her cat. And for example says tricks, sit and paw. I have to start teaching Noose some tricks. But yeah, I really enjoyed this. I have never received a cat themed letter, but I think it was very creative and a really cute way to introduce yourself and your cat. Then the next one I want to show you, I actually didn't receive this one in the mail. I received this one for my birthday, and it is really special to me because it's made by my cousin Dagmar. On the front here it just says happy birthday. And then these little plants, cacti, are from, I did a paper gang unboxing a little while ago. I'll put a link in the description down below as well. And in there was this week planner. But I already have a bullet journal, so I don't use it. But I asked my cousin if she would like it, and she did. So she cut out some of the pictures from some of the doodles from that week planner, and she used them on a card, which I think is very smart. And then in here we have a little flag. It says basically congratulations or happy birthday, dear Viva Bifia, which is just like a little play on my name, Vivian. And then this is a scratch card. I scratched it open and she wrote a little message for me. I don't know how that works. I think it's just that you have to write a message and then put a sticker on top or something. It says happy birthday, Valentine's Day, every day, good day. That's just cute. And it says a big heart for a big heart. And then in here, I think I will cover this up. This is just a little note from her. And then in here, I have a little quote. Oh, first of all, this pocket. I don't know how she did it, but it looks really cute. Cute little pocket and a little quote. It says, it will be alright in the end. If it's not alright, it's not the end. And then this is actually my favorite. It's tea topics. Because in the Netherlands we have Pickwick tea. I don't know if that's like, I think it's international, but and then on the tea tags we get questions. She collected these for me and she gave them to me, and it makes me very happy because I can use them. I think I might use them on my Instagram or on my YouTube channel. I don't know yet. So yeah, this made me really happy. She gave me this cute little jar. First of all, how cute is this ribbon and a tag, and it says let's turn that frown upside down. And basically the idea is that if I have a bad day, I can pick out one of these lollipop popsicle sticks, and then I can read whatever is on there. And I don't know, but I think that is so creative and so cute. I've never seen anything like this, and I really think this is a great crafting idea. Oh, like I just picked one out and it says, you are cute, nice hair. And you know, there's a bunch more in here, and I try not to read them too often, just when I'm sad, because I don't want to ruin the surprise for myself. But that is also, that came with this cute little letter, and I don't know, it makes me very happy. And then I'm just gonna go on with the next letter. This is one that I did receive in the mail, again from a Dutch pen pal, as you can see stamped here. This is from my pen pal Lisa. I think I showed one of her letters before. We used to be friends when we were kids, and then we actually reconnected over snail mail on Instagram, and we decided to start letters and sort of get to know each other again. This is just her letter. Just wanted to say this is really pretty handwriting. And then she gave me this little book. I will take off the ribbon, and then in here it says gifts. You open it up and it's little, how do you say that? Little sticky notes. I want to say memos, but that's that's not right. A little coloring page. As I already said, I really love coloring pages. Some clipper tea. I love tea. And then this is really fun. She gave me seeds, and obviously I'm going to plant them because I have, next to snail mail, I also have a love for plants and growing stuff. So I'm definitely going to do that. I just thought this was a really cute way of adding something extra to your letter. And I also have to cover up my address, but she also decorated it really nicely with just some paper scraps. Okay, the next letter is from my pen pal Roxanne. She's Dutch again. Again, these beautiful bird stamps. I think I know I showed you one of her letters in a previous video, but she just makes really pretty stuff. Whoops. Oh yeah, I think, yes, this one has confetti in it. I already had a couple of letters that had a little bit of confetti in it, but it was obviously because of the confetti in here. Okay, I don't know where to start. So as you can already tell by the envelope, we both have a love for botanical, these vintage botanical books. So she sent me some really pretty cutouts from one of those books. I don't know why, but it has something a little bit magical because the books are often so old. As is this paper. She likes to write, I can show you maybe a little bit. She likes to write her letters on pieces of paper like this. So basically she just takes pages out of one of these vintage books, and the empty one she will write on. So she gave me this so that I can also write on it, which I think is very cute. And then there's this little gift bag. Yeah, it's already 3 months old, so this might have been alive when she sent me this. A couple of these photo corner stickers, really cute. And the water themed stickers, you are enough. I love circle stickers because I use them to close my envelopes. Good job, these are cute stickers. Cool beans. I think this is actually a die cut. So yeah, again, a cute little letter. Not, like I said, not all of my pen pals send gifts with every letter, and I also don't send gifts with every letter. I like to include a little something like tea or I don't know, something pretty, but it's not necessary in order to write cute pen pal letters, right? Then oops, I have to cover up 2 addresses. This is a swap. I do sort of swapping with this very nice lady from the Philippines. Then inside the envelope is this cute little flip book she made. It starts with a little card like this. There's some twine on the back, a little collage. Doing what you like is freedom, liking what you do is happiness. And then this beautifully scalloped paper. And then here it's a little note. There are people who take the heart out of you, and there are people who put it back. Keep loving life. And then in here there's a little envelope, cute envelope with washi tape, some note cards, and on the back here, whoops, let me put this back. On the back here is a little note from her, and then she gave me these very cute cactus items. So that's just a cute way to send out some mail. And then the final letter I want to show you is a letter I received today, actually. Or actually I received it yesterday, but I had to go to the dentist today, so I decided to leave it closed until I went to the dentist so that I could sort of reward myself with a little letter to open. And it is from my pen pal Hillary from Canada, and she makes the most beautiful mail. So it starts with this little cute little envelope, always and forever, and then it says Vivian here, really cute golden letters. And then you open it up, it says, it's a little card that says, to a wonderful friend. And this is a little card that she sent me for Valentine's Day, which is really cute. And then first off, this huge paperclip. I've never seen a paperclip this big. I always wonder how people find items like this. So by the way, if you want to show me anything that I should be using for my snail mail, put a comment in the box down below, because I would love to find more places to find craft supplies. It's not good for my wallet. Don't tell my boyfriend that I asked this, because he says I already have too much. But anyway, this very cute and very large paperclip. And then clipped to the back was this little card that says crafty YouTube channels. I actually follow, I think, 1 or 2 of them already, but Oh, how much do I love crafty YouTube videos. I watch so many snail mail videos. I subscribe to so many channels. So I'm again gonna ask you to leave a comment down below if you have any more channels I should watch, or if you have a snail mail or bullet journal crafty YouTube channel yourself. Feel free to tell me. I love those. And then on the front is actually a birthday card. It says happy birthday, and she made a shaker pocket. I didn't know she had a fuse tool, or maybe she doesn't, but with it. But it's a cute little card with an ice cream cone, and then all these very cute how do you call that, confetti sprinkles. I never know what to call them. Then here it's a little pocket that says happy birthday, and this is quite smart. It's like a this is a little bit elevated, so you can just close the envelope by putting it behind this little ice cream cone. And then in here is her letter. And here I tried to put it back as nicely as she put it in, but trust me, when I opened this, it looked so pretty. There's this huge pocket with, I don't know if you can see, but it's quite thick and filled with goodies. So first of all, she made these cute little washi tape feathers. I've actually been wanting to try that, but I haven't yet. I think it's just you put two pieces of washi tape together, and then a piece of string or a wooden little stick in between, and then you cut it up so that it looks like a feather. And this one is my favorite. I might actually put that in my bullet journal. So cute little feathers. Then I don't even know where to start. We have this little card with these little tags in here. I really like it. This one is my favorite. I love donuts. Then we have a large tag. We have, yeah, this is a little envelope. Oh, I don't know, she knows me so well. When I open this, it's like all of it is my style. So in here are some die cuts. We have flowers, butterflies. Sorry for my voice. I think it is a Delightful collection from Pebbles, because I was actually looking at it for ordering it on Craftelier, but I unfortunately didn't, and I really regret it now. So really cute items. Little heart, this little die cut that says hello. So yeah, that's really cute. I I think if you've watched any of my videos before, you know I have a huge love for die cuts. Oh, there's still a bunch of items to show you. We get this washi tape. These first off, can I show you this really pretty rose gold paper clip? Love. And we have these, I think they're called like Project Life cards, right? Also, I really want to know where I can get these. I shouldn't ask you this because my crafting stash is already so big, but I really like these. So this is, I'm just going to show you the front first. Very pretty. And then they also have a back. So yeah, I think it's called Project Life because you can just, the front is just like decorated, and then the back just has like lines or little boxes that you can fill something in. I don't really know what Project Life is all about, but the cards are very cute and I use them for my snail mail. Like the one that I showed you from March, you can just use one of those to put it in between a little flip book or something. And then these, I actually don't know, they look like larger Project Life cards. They're just really pretty note cards, my favorite things. It's really cute. And then the final two items, yes, I have reached the end, are just these cute butterfly and flower stickers and these feather stickers. So now that I've come to the end of that, that's the last letter I wanted to show you. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you will subscribe to my channel to see some more of these, and also some more videos where I make mail myself. I don't know what else to say. Please follow me on Instagram, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye bye!